Vivek Smith Parchment. We signed off our memorandum of understanding for the compensation review. We were told that if we signed before March 31st, we would get our money in March. We signed on the 10th and we were promised the money in March. However, yesterday was payday and we did not receive any retroactive monies or any increase in our salaries. We called to the region and we have made several attempts to contact the Ministry of Finance about what is happening. The regions are telling us that they are not sure when we will get the money, and they did not get any directive from the Finance Ministry to pay us. So we were told that they are trying to pay us on the 29th of March, and we are apprehensive and waiting to see that it will be paid on the 29th of March.
Saint Patrice Ennis, General Secretary of the Union of Technical, Administrative and Supervisory Personnel, UTAS. But these are actually dental assistants. And yes, and they are here protesting the non-payment of their monies consequent on the signing of the compensation review exercise on the 10th of February this year. When we did sign the agreement, we were promised that payment will be made in March during our normal pay cycle. We have since then received pay advisory slip and payment have been made, which did not include any monies from the compensation review exercise. The consequence, persons have made obligations, commitments to their debtors and other persons, and are embarrassed this morning and are here protesting because of their frustration in not receiving the monies.
No money, no work. No money, no work. Disrespect, unfair treatment, promises and lies. Promises and lies. Can't go supermarket. Right. All right.
We understand that no instructions were given to the various regional departments and in the various regions to make the payment. We have heard that since we have been here that such instructions were given since this morning, and we have correspondence to that effect to suggest that payment should be made effective March 29. And so we hope that will be implemented, and if that is the case, because we just had word with the Ministry of Health, who have, since we have been here, given out such instructions that payment should be effective March 29th, and with that we believe that we have something that which we could work with, and that could perhaps somehow assuage the mood of the dental assistants and perhaps bring back some normalcy.
Unfair treatment, disrespect. Unfair treatment, disrespect. Unfair treatment, disrespect. What do we...
Apart from incompetence, no, but this is not the first time we have had to take to the streets or have protest action because the ministry did not give the instructions to pay or make full payment with respect to some allowance. The last time it was with our uniform. Now we are here on our uniform material. Now we are here about our salaries. And so this is not the first time. It is something that has happened on more than one occasion. And so we are here to protest that again. And fortunately, we have had some word that they will correct the inaction. We will have some discussion because we're just getting that information just now. I've just received such a phone call from a notification from the Ministry of Health. I believe that this is something that they could act on in terms of resuming normalcy. But we would have to have dialogue with them, and we are yet to do so. But I believe it is a step in the right direction, and it is something that they, I believe, would be quite pleased to hear that some payment will be made.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!